What's up, y'all? I have been dying to share this with you guys. Our channel finally has a new drone. Yeah, we finally got a new drone for our channel, and I can't wait to share with you the beautiful landscape on my next travel journey, guys. So guys, yes, this is the DJI Mini 2. I got it a month, almost a month ago, and yeah, I have been like waiting for this one for a very long time, and yeah, finally, let's unbox it together, and let me show it to you guys. Yes, this is our drone. This is the DJI Mini 2. Yes, let's put it here. And this is the controller. This is the controller. Let's put it here. Also, and this is the charger. Extra props in case I damage the one on the drone. And also I have like connector for iPhone and Android. And I think that we have this one, also this one. I don't know the name, but these are the they stick right here when you want to control the drone, like to move left, right, up and down. Yes, what else? Okay. And yes, like this, up and down, okay. I hope this is the gimbal here. Okay, can you guys see DJI Mini 2? And if you want to connect, I have to like this. Yeah, because this controller doesn't have a mount monitor, so you have to connect it with your phone. Okay. And I put the stick here. Wow, this is my first GPS drone. Extra populars. Okay, so this is our drone. If you want to power it on, then you have to press here, a quick press and long press. This on. Good. You see the lights, the back lights, and also there's the front light. And here I also how to press the controller, a quick press and long press. Power on, and I have to connect my phone with my controller. So after you connect your phone, you have to download this app, DJI Fly app. I'm going to open it. Yes, this is the DJI Fly app. The drone is already connected. You see here, go fly. As you can see, I don't know if you can see really read. Yes, go fly here. And as you can see, when the drone moves, you see the movement here. Okay guys, looking at this is a GPS drone to fly.